about the sauce. Why my mom she can do that? Because she has married with my father. My father he is originally was born in Kampot, and this is the sauce is from Kampot province. That's why she know how to do this sauce because my father he can do it, and then she can learn from her husband like that.
Đã má.
Chứ mà cho tôi đi chén nhé. Chi mặn pi à?
Đã tầm muối nhưng bán là muối đai mình nhá.
Spicy ones.
Bè là chén thay cho có to đã mà phếm á.
One.
Yeah.
Đã mà phếm bánh á.
Like this yeah.
So one.
Anh ơi phải em tinh.
Now we will grind it.
Bọc phải tích mình bầu vậy bài tinh.
First, you have to grind it very softly at first for it all to be.
Và canh lấy vậy đẹp á.
She said I need to
Canh thì lên vậy.
yeah like this like this can she said even this I need to do like this.
Tích bèn mà theo tập tích cái cổ.
She said you must grind it till it's all like mixed.
Okay. So it's like a paste.
Yeah. Ở bên khơi mạch năng hả?
ឃើញម៉ត់ម៉ាក់ឈឺចកឃើញម៉ត់ឈឹង Catherine said I need to take out my hand so you can see.
Ah. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
But usually she uses her hand, but recently she has this, so it's very convenient for her.
Nowadays she use her hand with the spoon, but now I just saw her use.
She says if you're making a little bit of, just like only a little amount of sauce, you only need one knife, but since she's making a lot, she's using two.
Two. And how long do you keep the sauce for?
Vậy vậy tập thấy nó tụt ban mà khai mà.
Mà tất ấy.
Only for 1 week.
For 1 week. Okay.
You don't have to refrigerate it or anything.
No. Okay.
Thế đã được thấy nè.
Then you add. She says that after you make the paste and you add the lime, you wait 5 minutes, then you add the fish sauce.
Okay. Yes.
Đâu là nít.
Yeah,
Because how is it you get? Oh,
that's
sorry.
fish sauce.
So that'll be maybe 1/3 of the paste or something like that.
Yeah, đã tập thấy mà.
Thì anh chừng đã. Là khổ nên chởn đã chởn để chặt
She
như.
says if you put a lot of lime, put a lot of fish sauce.
Okay.
Just kind of
Depends how much
À
you
mình
like it.
cuốn thờ năng bờ tích đã tích chởn đã chởn.
She says there's not really a solid measurement, you just eyeball most of it.
Yeah.
Đây là kia trộn thử, trộn đá kia thử những thứ.
Dùng bọc tích trứng. Để bọc miền cài miền ấy mà kì vô rồi.
This is the palm sugar you get from.
From my dad's province, the palm sugar
Oh,
is
yeah.
from Kanary.
Yeah, originally from the palm tree. Yeah.
So you just go and buy it, or someone comes here and sell it?
My dad knows his town people, so
Ngắn này.
he says it's delicious now.
Okay. What's it like? Like if you didn't know anyone in the province, will you get the palm sugar? Can you buy in the store too, or?
Mẹ nó vật chín tích lo đó.
She says You can find palm sugar at the supermarket, but it'll.
តែថាបាច់ដាក់កពៀនក៏បានដែរដាក់កហោក៏ប៉ុន្តែចូលយកដាក់កពៀន
She says you don't have to use palm sugar if you don't have it. You can just use granule sugar.
Very nice. Got have it clump ngang.
ក្លិនស្ងាញ់ក៏ថ្នោតហ្នឹងឯង
She says it smells good because of the palm sugar, so that's her secret ingredient.
ទិញមួយកែវប៉ុណ្ណេះមានម៉ាន10000នេះហ្នឹងថាគាត់ទិញទៅទុកទៅ
She says for palm sugar, if you don't know anyone from the province, you can buy it from the supermarket or the market, but it just won't be like liquid or soft. It'll be like hard.
តែចាឲ្យគាត់ស្ងោបជាស្ងោក្តាមស្ងោមឹកលក់ណាឆ្ងាញ់ណា
She says very good with seafood like squid, shrimp, and all that with the sauce.
មឹកអីហ្នឹងស្ងោទៅលក់មកហ្នឹងបានហើយដាក់ខ្លួន
No matter.
ជឿហ្នឹងលក់បានហើយអើមកខ្លួន
She said you can taste it.
Okay, I'll taste.
យកប្រាក់
It's not good.
ដាក់លេងទឹកវាទុកអត់បានយូរមកចាំទុកបានយូរដាក់ទឹកដាក់ទឹកហើយសុទ្ធចាំទុកបាន
But on that the ban you.
Very good. There's like all the flavors.
ហើយ
in
វា
that.
គាត់ថាប្រចាំថាគេនឹងខាងទឹកភូមិទៅចឹង
She says if you want it to be less flavorful, you can add boiled water. But if you want it to last longer, don't add
ធ្វើ
water.
អញ្ចឹងវាទុកបានយូរអូនប្រាប់អញ្ចឹង
So good.
Yeah, no water, you can keep it for a long time. Yeah.
អើពេល